Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a powerful gaming PC in a compact size, today's video is for you. Mini PCs in 2026 are more powerful than ever, delivering strong performance, fast storage, and impressive graphics in a tiny footprint. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026 based on performance, features, and value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. N4 Mini Gaming PC with Ryzen 9 6900HX Radeon 680M GPU. This mini gaming powerhouse features AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX Radeon 680M graphics, 32GB LPDDR5X RAM, and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. It also includes Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and triple display support. This is the best overall gaming mini PC on the list. The Ryzen 9 processor and Radeon 680M integrated GPU deliver excellent performance for modern games, smooth multitasking, and high-end productivity work. It handles AAA games at medium to high settings and runs extremely fast. Pros: excellent gaming performance, powerful Ryzen 9 processor, 32GB ultra-fast RAM, strong Radeon 680M graphics, premium build and connectivity. Cons: can run warm under heavy load. Best overall gaming mini PC for serious gamers who want maximum performance. Number 2. Ninkear L12 Pro Gaming Mini PC with Intel i9 12900HK. The Ninkear L12 Pro comes with Intel Core i9 12900HK, 32GB RAM, 1TB SSD, triple 8K display support, and dual 2.5G LAN connectivity. This mini PC delivers extremely strong CPU performance and handles gaming, emulation, and heavy multitasking easily. It's ideal for streaming, editing, and high-performance workloads along with gaming. Pros: extremely powerful i9 processor, huge 32GB and 1TB storage, triple 8K display support, excellent multitasking performance, strong connectivity options. Cons: high power consumption. Perfect for gamers and creators who want desktop-level performance in a compact system. Number 3. KAMRUI Hyper H2 Mini PC with Intel Core 14455HX. The KAMRUI Hyper H2 features Intel Core 14455HX, 16GB RAM, 512GB NVMe SSD, triple 4K display support, and dual 2.5G LAN connectivity. This mini PC offers a strong balance between performance and price. It handles most modern games at moderate settings and delivers reliable performance for gaming and productivity. Pros: strong processor performance, good value for price, triple display support, fast NVMe storage, solid everyday gaming performance. Cons: only 16GB RAM included. Mid-range graphics capability. A great mid-range option for users who want strong performance without paying premium prices. Number 4. GMKtec Mini PC with Intel Twin Lake N150. This compact mini PC comes with Intel Twin Lake N150 processor, 16GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB PCIe SSD, Wi-Fi 6, and dual 4K HDMI output. This system focuses more on efficiency and light gaming. It runs esports titles, cloud gaming, and daily tasks smoothly, but isn't designed for demanding AAA games. Pros: energy-efficient design, compact and affordable, good multitasking performance, dual 4K display support, quiet operation. Cons: limited gaming performance, not suitable for heavy titles. Best for casual gamers and everyday users who want a reliable mini PC. Number 5. ACEMAGIC K1 Mini PC with Ryzen 4300U. The ACEMAGIC K1 features AMD Ryzen 4300U, 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD, Windows 11 Pro, and triple 4K display support. This is an entry-level gaming mini PC ideal for light gaming and daily computing. It performs well for basic tasks and older or less demanding games. Pros: budget-friendly option, large 1TB storage, compact and energy efficient, good for everyday use. Cons: entry-level performance, older processor, limited graphics power. A good starter mini PC for basic gaming and office use. Thanks for watching our top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and buying guides. Let me know in the comments which mini PC you'd choose. See you in the next video.